Get down. So this is the long approach to Broken Nose, the first of the 2 Class 3 pluses. One forward. Give me one now. Give me one more. We may or may not get a little bit of a stick or a bump here. Just be prepared. Give me 2. Give me 2 more. Give me 2 more. Dig them. Give me 2, dig them. You can't dig harder now. Give me 2 more, dig them. You gotta move your body mass and 25 more pounds. 2 more, everybody, go, put your body in. You're almost there. It's what happens here, it's normal, don't worry about it. I ain't gonna let you pass before I unpin. I ain't worried about you, I know you'll be okay. But I didn't want to ruin her day. Give me 2, team. Give me 1 more, team. Watch yourselves. Give me 1. Give me 1 more. Broken Nose, take happy thoughts, be ready to paddle if I call it. Give me 1. Big hit's coming, big hit, big hit. Bigger hit, bigger hit. I'm gonna bounce off this rock or stick, I don't know which. Give me 2. Give me 2 more. Put your body in. Give me 3. Get ready for a bump. Stop. Good job, team. I did a better job clearing the bump rock than I thought. I was excited because I didn't want no one to fall out there. Give me 1. Give me 2. Give me 2 more. Relax a moment. We're looking good. We are online at this moment. One more, team. We're going to take the ramp today. Sorry, I might throw someone out the front if I take the other optional line. Grant's like, why is Fred in this line? He never pals over here. Give me 2, team. Give me 2 more. Grant's probably gonna pass us. Give me 1 more. 1 more. Bump. I didn't mean him. Oh, I can't look. Give me 2, team. Okay, brace yourselves. Give me one more. We're looking good, guys. Give me one. Give me one more like that. Okay, don't panic. It's a big ledge. No big deal though. Unless I hit Slinky. Give me two. Stop. Backwards one. I bumped that rock, no big deal. I just don't want you to have a bad day. Give me one forward. Give me three. Dig them. These really matter. Stop. Give me two more. Make them count. Looking good. It's gonna be bumpy on this rock. Nope, that's smooth. I went where I wanted, not where I thought I might. Oh no, I'm going to run over little Irving. Oh no, little brother, look out. Spider monkey power. Oh boy. Ah! Okay, lean right a little bit. Yeah, that hill on the left is why I told you to do that. Hop up. I'm gonna need paddle. We're not out of the woods yet. Get your game face on. Give me one. Go. Give me one more. Focus. Give me one. Give me one more. This one's surprise, and it's like Gomer Pyle's surprise. It ain't good. Give me one more. Big hit, don't fall out. Good job, dude. Give me two more. Big hit, big hit. We're looking good. That's good. Relax. Don't pout. Give me two now. Give me two. Give me two more. I gotta get in here and set safety.